Repository number 1, Virat/AI Hedge Fund. This repository, an AI hedge fund team. Here's a brief overview. The goal of this project is to explore the use of AI to make trading decisions. This project is for educational purposes only and is not intended for real trading or investment. Repository number 2, Composio HQ/Composio. This repository Composio equips your AI agents and LLMs with 100+ high-quality integrations via function calling. Here's a brief overview. Repository, Composio HQ/Composio description. Composio equips your AI agents and LLMs with 100+ high-quality integrations via function calling Connect Claude, Cursor, and Windsurf to 100+ fully managed MCP servers with built-in auth. Repository number 3, Stanford Oval/Storm. This repository, an LLM-powered knowledge curation system that researches a topic and generates a full-length report with citations. Here's a brief overview. Repository, Stanford Oval/Storm description, an LLM-powered knowledge curation system that researches a topic and generates a full-length report with citations. README highlights. Storm, synthesis of topic outlines through retrieval and multi-perspective question asking research preview Storm Paper Co-Storm Paper website latest news fire 2025-2001. We add little integration for language models and embedding models in KnowledgeStorm version 1.1.0.